Alright, so I got the wheel bearings, the spindle connected with the upper and lower control arms. So now I'm going to go ahead and put in brand new brakes. I got power stop brakes to install, so I'm going to go ahead and put the rotor on and go ahead and change out the pads. And I also got the other side done. Same thing here as well. Got the spindle, wheel bearing, and upper and lower control arms. So let's go ahead and install some brakes. Alright, I got both inner tie rods put in. Now I just got to go in and put the outer tie rod in and connect it. These clamps here are one-time use, so I'm going to go ahead and put a zip tie on there. That should hold it on from going anywhere. And here goes the other side. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the outer tie rods put on. Alright, I got the outer tie rod end on. Here goes the inner. Look, no more curve in it. It's straight now. Got that put in. Brakes in. One thing I need to do now is put on the sway bar end link and the shock. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, I got my shocks in. I got everything in. Brand new wheel bearings, rotors, brake pads, sway bar end links, inner and outer tie rod ends, upper and lower control arms, and shocks. All brand new. That's everything there. And the driver's side, same thing. So let's go ahead and put the wheels on and see it on 4 wheels.